Hello guys, kamusta na kayong lahat dyan? How are you? You know what, today I will, this is easy, easy job because I will give you an instruction for you, maybe, for me pala, not for you, for me it's difficult, but you know what, I will tell you that, today, my job is, I will show you how to fry spring roll. Of course, you need to put oil. You need to do like this. Put some oil like that. Like that. Yeah, there's an oil already. And then um you need to wait that oil is boiling, and then if you cannot find out, guys, just dip your fingers like this. Dip your fingers like that, okay? If you feel your fingers is burning, that's ready, okay? And then after that, you need to fried spring roll. Okay? Fried spring roll like that. I'm scared. Oh, like that, guys. It's very easy to fried spring roll. I know it's not easy to make spring roll. It takes time, You need to spend time. I think 1.5 or 2 hours to make spring roll. But I give you instruction already how to fry spring roll. It's very easy, right? If you cannot find out, guys, if what do you call that? Oil is not hot, you need to dip your fingers like that. Dip just very quick like that, okay? And if you feel that your fingers is burned, so it's mean that it's ready to fry your food, okay? But this time, I will do something for my stomach ache. Bye, guys. Have a nice day. Niluloko ko lang kayo. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, wala kasi ako magawa sa mundo. Kaya yun, nang titrip na lang ako. Ingat kayo lagi. At asahan nyo na ang araw ngayon ay kung kay Kim pa, umuulan-ulan, makulimlim, at lumalabas-labas ang araw na parang ako paminsan-minsan lumalabas sa YouTube at minsan ay nawawala. Yun nga, guys, ingat. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Bye-bye.